Hey everyone, it's Jennifer. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer Emanuel, and I wanted to introduce a quick video to you today. This video is the video that follows this intro is actually taken from a live video that I did for some training a little while back when I was first learning about attraction marketing and how it works within the direct selling industry. The ideas and concepts that I'll share was when I was first learning about attraction marketing, the ideas and concepts that I was seeing were new. They were a fresh way of doing business. And I knew that there had to be something to it within the direct selling industry. And so I took some time to learn about the basics. And this is when I was actually starting to train my team on putting it into action for themselves. Be sure that you stay to the end of the video because I have some information to share with you about a really cool guide that I just made up for you, about a really cool resource that I made up for you. Along with an introduction to a really unique group of people that I want to introduce you to. So have a great So enjoy learning a little bit about attraction marketing, and we'll see you at the end of the video.